So let's say we're moving this circle across, or a ball, or whatever you want to call it, and we're going to measure it like halfway here. You know, it's a little bit harder to kind of create the circle or the ball so that it remains with the same volume, right? So I'm just sort of sketching it out here. And what I would do is draw a kind of a light circle in a light colored pencil or very lightly on the page so that you can draw over it with a little bit of a firmer hand. But the trick is really to get this the same volume the whole time as it's moving across. So for instance, if you're drawing a head on a character and you are wanting to have it move at a constant speed, then as these representing the frames as you draw, each one using onion skinning if you're using a digital program, or a light table if you're using paper, as it's moving across the page and you're using a light table, you want to kind of measure it this way so that you have that even spacing. And that might look like this. You can see the circle right over here as it's moving across this page at a constant speed. And if we take a closer look though, we can see that the shapes, you can see a little bit underneath. It's kind of like using a light table, but I'm just using a notepad, sticky notes here, and you can see the overlapping shapes here. So try to be as accurate as you can and keep the volumes the same as that's moving across.